Hello everyone, I am from Humble Tree. Today I am going to discuss USA and India relationship in detail and why USA has said that USA will support India on India-China border issue nearby Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. In this, we will discuss in detail about the India and USA relationship, agreements that USA and India has signed till now, and a strategic partnership and the value of that, how much it has been increased till now, and the US November relationship that has the much more potential to shape India and USA relationship. India and USA relationship, how it has been shaped with the years. We are going to discuss from 1947 when India got independence. At 1947, we know India is following NAM policy, by which India cannot be able to support neither USA nor the Soviet Union. But till 1973, India bended towards Soviet Union. Because of this, USA gone far from India again. But when India has done the nuclear test, then for some years India got the sanctions from UN. But after 15 years, and in 2008, USA is the first country which signed nuclear agreement for the peaceful use, for the energetic use of nuclear energy for electrical generation. Then, what is the main cause that USA and India relationship has strengthened day by day? The first, power. When you have power, other power will listen to you. Open market of India. As we know, India is the biggest market of the current world. So any country in the world wanted to have a good relationship with India for the good market. As we will take the example of recent ASEAN, that ASEAN countries has requested again to India join the agreement, but India didn't join it. India has gone for the self-reliant in the COVID time, as the Modi government agenda is there to self-reliant India and the better India. Then 3 trillion economy of India that gives the stable market and the boon to the market that India for the future growth India can be able to have the much more better opportunity for any country. India and USA agreements. As we know, Quad has been signed by the 4 countries: India, USA, Australia, and Japan. This idea was given by Shinzo Abe, Japanese Prime Minister. So, with this idea, these 4 members can be able to have the disaster related issues they can be able to solve in the Indian Ocean. But China thought this is more of the military, and it can be when the time required, these 4 countries can be able to have the military agreement also to counter the China in the South China Sea. Second, I would like to talk about COMCASA, Communication Compatibility and Security Agreement. With this agreement, India can be able to have the latest technology from USA to India, like for the shipbuilding and anything. India can be able to have it with the legal transaction from USA. BECA, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. With this agreement, India can be able to have the all the infrastructure development, technological like defense, export, all these things. With this agreement, India is able to have. And COMCASA, friends, USA has signed this agreement mostly with the NATO member, but India is the one of the prior country that USA has signed this agreement to strengthen the relationship. Fourth, first tri-service exercise India has done in the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea, which tell this world that India and USA relationship is much more strengthened and given an eye to China that it should not work with the greater policy to capture the ring of pulse towards the India to maintain India into their periphery. When USA comes, India and USA power edge much more better. Then South China Sea. South China Sea sailings joined by the USA, Philippines and Japan. This done more with the strategic issue so that China should be threatened that South China Sea is not only yours, it is free and open ocean. So you must follow the international law. Sixth, India waiver to the ASP 400 and to buy oil from Iran. So these are the agreements and the policies by which India and USA has shaped their relationship into much more strengthened way. And even the officials of USA has said that India and USA relationship has reached up to 90% of the strengthen. So only 10% is required. That is the formal way to go proceed toward the most favorable relationship between the two largest democracy of the. Then at last, I would like to talk about USA November election, which is going to be happen. So this has a lot of factor. Look, if USA Trump administration is again coming to the power, then they will be against China. But if Joe Biden Republican came to the power, then what they will do? They will be more give priority to China, and if they will give more priority to China, sorry, Trump administration against the China, and Joe Biden will be preference to China as historically it has been seen. So if the relationship with China USA has strengthened, then the relationship with India will go into the downside. But if Trump administration comes, then it will benefit India in the more larger way. So let's see what will be the election results, and who might be known that the Joe Biden changed its strategy policy towards China. So let's see what will happen. If you like the video, please subscribe it. I'll be coming with a more interesting video in more better manner. Thank you for listening me.